NuLife Power Services is a company that I built after working in the industry 17 years now to address the aging infrastructure of renewables in the United States. Think about the installation growth that we've had in the last decade alone. A lot of these systems are reaching their end of life and they need a plan of removal, plan of disposition, a plan of recycling, and perhaps when feasible, plan to repower, which is just another word for upgrading the solar system. The real mission of the company is to protect our owners' interests first. These are critical assets with major risk constraints, right? Think about a 15-year-old system on a elementary school that is degrading, that has roof issues and roof leaks, and the institutional owner of the solar system has to dispose of the system in a way that's not going to interrupt operations. It's going to dispose of those systems in a way that's environmentally compliant and then reduce any potential risk of safety or incidents that could otherwise affect that solar systems owner portfolio. I mean, these are Fortune 500s and REITs who we represent. We represent them proudly. Money is certainly capital expenditures is a big thing, but more importantly, it's reputation, right? They want to do good for the environment. They want to do good for their investors and they want to do good for these off takers where their solar systems have been deployed.